Hey guys, my name's Jamin. Thanks for visiting my channel. In this video, I have a Lenovo Thinkpad T460. I'm going to show you how to access the inside of it to replace or work on your fan or your heatsink assembly. So first thing guys, power down your computer correctly. Make sure that it's unplugged. We're going to flip it over to access your screws. Before doing that, we're going to remove this external battery here. You have one clip there, one clip here. You're going to push on them and slide them to the unlocked position to remove this battery. Once you remove this battery, there are 3 screws underneath it that you need to remove. You have 2 screws here on the right-hand side of the screen, 2 screws here on the left, and you have 4 screws down bottom on that edge. Once you remove the screws, you're looking at this for the inside of your computer. As a side note, guys, if you need any help with any tools or supplies, there'll be a link above, also below in the description to my Amazon store where you can see a lot of the things that I use in my shop. Now, before touching anything in a computer, guys, you're always best to limit as much as you can the power running through it so that you don't damage anything. We've already unplugged it, shut it off, removed the external battery, but this computer, you may have an internal battery. If you do, you would unplug it right down here. You would pull that plug down to get it out of that port. Don't pull on the wires, but that black plug there, grip it with your fingernails on either end or a pair of pliers, pull it straight down out of that plug. Once your battery is unplugged, the computer is safe to work on and go into further. Okay, so your fan is up here toward the right of your screen, and the heatsink assembly comes down here over where the battery is and goes over your CPU here. So unfortunately, guys, this CPU is not replaceable for most of you. This is integrated into the motherboard. So you're not going to be able to remove that and replace it very easily. To get this heatsink assembly out, you have these 4 screws over the CPU right there. And your fan, you have a single screw there. After that, and after unplugging your fan, the heatsink assembly will come up. And this is the vent right there. So you can blow that vent out, vacuum it out. You can blow your fan out here. And if you're looking to clean off your thermal paste and reapply it, that would be done here on both sides, on the CPU and the underneath of the heatsink assembly. One thing to note, guys, is that once you have this up, you're going to see this leftover thermal paste. Make sure to clean that off fully before applying new thermal paste. If you apply thermal paste on top of this, you could just make it worse. That's a quick tutorial look inside here to get at your heatsink, your fan, to get at the CPU area. I hope it was helpful. If you have any questions, check out the FAQs below in the description. I do try to keep those updated. I also answer any questions or comments you may have, so feel free if you need to. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I look forward to seeing you on my next video.